Thanks for having a chat with me today, Ash. So what made you choose Vivid Skylights for this project?
The Skylights are Australian certified to Australian standards, and yeah, they look nice and presentable, nice and crystal clear.
So the main thing I've heard from other builders when installing other skylights is the complexity of it, and they're afraid to install the skylights. How have you found our Vivid Skylights to install?
Compared with other skylights, I found the Vivid Skylights very easy to install, hassle-free, and very simple. The carpenters had no issues.
So Ash, how important is it to have a local skylight supplier when you're on such tight schedules?
It's extremely important. So we found with Vivid Skylights that they have plenty of stock readily available and a quick turnaround time when they send it out.
So our frameless design has been quite popular with architects and building designers. How do you find the appeal of our frameless design?
I find them very sleek, very modern looking, and having no frame around the outside just lets the water bead off, so you get no pooling or dirty water stains.
So for homeowners, having natural light flooded in their home, it really changes the feel of it. How have you seen this change happen when you've installed our Vivid Skylights on your projects?
So with the skylights getting installed in our projects, we found with certain areas of the house, it really makes them more usable during the day, saving on electricity and other costs. So for example, in a beautiful stairwell where we are right now, it just gives it that grand feeling when the people walk in.
So just finally, would you recommend Vivid Skylights to other builders, and why?
With the Vivid Skylights, the process and easily accessible of readily stock, the ease of putting them in, I would happily recommend them to anybody. They've been very easy to work with and very professional.
Thanks for sharing your insights today, Ash. So for other builders who are looking for more information about skylights, you can check out our website or feel free to come into our Dandenong showroom.